Hi, hello, and welcome to our channel Recipe 360. Today we are going to see how to make a simple mutton masala which we usually prefer at our home on Sundays. And guess what? Everyone loves it. For this, I have taken half a kg mutton pieces with bones. For the first marination, I am adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and a teaspoon of salt. Let us mix this well together first. After ginger garlic paste, now I am going to add the rest of the masala. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon of red chilli powder, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of whisked curd. I am also adding a slit green chilli. Now let's mix this all together. Let the marination sit in the refrigerator for about half an hour. To prepare the cashew tomato paste, to a mixer jar add about 12 cashew nuts. First grind it finely without adding any water. Then add about roughly chopped tomatoes, which is about 50 grams, and grind to a fine paste. Now let's prepare the special mutton masala. For this, I am adding 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 teaspoon peppercorns, half teaspoon fennel seeds, 6 dried red chilli, 5 to 6 green cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon, 1 star anise, 1 black stone flower, and a small piece of nutmeg. Turn on the flame after adding all the ingredients and dry roast this at low flame for about 2 minutes. Turn off the flame and after it cools down, grind to a fine powder. To the pressure cooker, add about 3 tablespoons of oil. After the oil heats up, add a bay leaf and half teaspoon cumin seeds. Saute at low flame for 30 seconds. Now add 2 cups of chopped onions, few curry leaves and some salt. Saute this at high flame until the onions turn nicely golden. The onions have turned nicely golden. This took about 10 minutes at high flame. Now turn the flame to low. Prepare tomato cashew paste. Give a stir. Add 1 heaped tablespoon of the prepared special mutton masala powder. Now add about a quarter cup water. Saute this nicely until oil releases. This takes about 5 minutes at low flame. Once oil separates, add the marinated mutton pieces. Turn on high flame. Saute the mutton for 5 minutes at high flame. Add about 2 cups of water. Maintain high flame until the water comes to a boil. After it comes to a boil, turn the flame to low. Pressure cook at low flame for about 20 minutes. Open the cooker only after the pressure releases. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander and serve it. Our Sunday special mutton masala is ready.